Good morning, guys. Here's another 3:30 a.m. makeup look. So first I primed with my Wet n Wild primer. Now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the eyeshadow in Golden Girl by Maybelline. Now we get into this Jeffree Star palette. And I'm using that first bright yellow. Does he have a name for it? Yeah, it's called Wow. So we're going to take Wow and put it above my lid, and we're just gonna slather it everywhere because it's a really pretty color and it's a matte shade, and that's important for what we're gonna do next, which is, well, hopefully we'll get there in a second. I didn't realize that I did the entirety of this eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going in with Lemon Drop, which is a very glittery shadow. Next time I'll have my light on because you can't hardly see the difference. There we go, there's a difference. Now going in with my eyeliner pencil. I use the e.l.f. Non-Budge retractable eyeliner in black. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild liquid liner. That's waterproof. I did mascara. I'm fixing my brows real quick. I didn't do like a ton today because I do work and I wear a mask, so there's that. Alright, have a good day.